So, after we've set up the automation that creates the submission link from the data here, what we want to do is to make sure that when someone is signed in that link, the PDF is uploading onto the item so we can see it and access it directly. Let's see how it works. First, we're going to the integration templates here. Click on Integrate. Then search for FillFaster e-signatures. Then we'll look for the trigger. When a form is submitted, save the submitted PDF back to the file column. Let's use it. Okay, so this is the automation template. Then let's choose the form we use. In this case, we set up the agreement demo. Then just choose the file column. We already had it set up before, but if you don't have a file column, you can always add a new one here. Same for the status. We already have it, but you can create a new one. Then change status value to signed. Then click Add to Board. That's it. Okay, now we can see that the automation is active. And we also have the ones that create the submission link. Let's see the full flow. Back to the board, we are creating a new submission using the status column. Okay, let's see. You can send the link to anyone, in this case David, and he will get a link like that. As you can see, all the data are here automatically, and it has the agreement, and you can fill it out. So the details that we have set up are already there. But if we didn't set anything, then we'll have to finish and fill out this data, sign, and then submit. You can see the preview before submitting it, and then submit. Okay, when he's done, this is how he sees this. Now we are going back to our board. Okay, and so after he signed, the PDF automatically appears here, and the status is changed. So everything is up to date. Let's see the document. Everything is here, and also the signature. So the flow is done. You can get your e-signature quick and easy from Monday. There's also another option to set up this automation, and it is by using the automation builder. I'll show you how. So we click on Automate, and we click on Add Automation. Okay, and here we can set up the multi-steps automation that is not bounded to the templates by FillFaster. So first thing that we have to do is to choose the trigger. We search for FillFaster. Then we choose this trigger. FillFaster's form is submitted. Okay, after waiting, we have the option to choose which form. Let's choose the form, and then we have to check for the action. So you see, we have two options here. Again, we search for FillFaster. The first option is to just get the submission and save the submitted PDF into file column. This is the basic. We can also use the second one. Save the submitted PDF into file column and change the status. This is similar to the template by FillFaster. For example, let's just choose the basic one. After it's finished loading, we can choose the column and then we can add more steps. So we can add sending it to an email, change status, assign person, notify, or whatever you need to get a complete flow. And then click Create Automation. That's it. Thank you.